Hi there, students. To inure. Okay, a verb, to inure. To accustom or to become accustomed to something normally unpleasant. So, city dwellers, people who live in cities, are inured to the constant noise of traffic. They always hear it and they become so used to it that they don't really even notice it. So to inure, to become accustomed to something bad because it's constantly happening. Children who live in a war zone can become inured to violence and death. The prison food was absolutely terrible, but he became inured to it. He became accustomed to it, and it was like it wasn't important. It was just what there was. So to become or to be inured to something. Notice to is a dependent preposition, not for an infinitive. So to plus ing. A surgeon is inured to cutting human flesh. A policeman may be inured to receiving insulting comments. Okay, so if it's a verb, you need an ing. Inure, to become hardened or toughened to something because it is constantly happening. An Eskimo is inured to extreme cold, tolerates it well. Accustomed, conditioned, habituated. Okay, this verb to inure can be used in legal English, and in legal English it's spelled either with an I or an E at the beginning. Legally it means to result, to take effect, to be to the benefit or advantage of somebody. So, for example, her last will and testament said that on her death all her property would inure to her grandchildren, would result to be for, would be for the benefit, for the advantage, the possession of her grandchildren. But notice this is very legal, and you're not going to find many examples of this outside legal circles. So, to inure, to become used to something bad due to constantly being exposed to it. To become accustomed to something bad because you are continually subjected to it. So, for example, think of a prisoner who becomes institutionalized. They are inured to living in a prison. They are inured to living in a mental hospital. They are inured to not having freedom. Maybe they are inured to the unfairness of the system. Yeah, they are inured to the bad things that can happen and accept them just as normal. So, to inure, a regular verb. The situation inured the children. The bad situation has inured the children to it. Now, next question, formality. 8, 9. This is a pretty formal word. I think it sounds fairly literary as well. So use it in something semi-formal or very formal. If you're talking informally, to get used to be accustomed to, I think those I would use informally. And then let's see, what about the origin? Well, there was a Middle English word, inured, meaning customary, yeah? And I think this is based originally on the Latin word opera, a work activity or an activity. So to inure, to make somebody accustomed to something bad because it happens again and again, okay? And it's normally something bad. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Maybe you're inured to my begging for a rating and a subscription. Inure.